Hello, Namaskar, Vanakkam. An important information video which you should listen right till the end. The specimen papers for ICSE Class 10 and ISC Class 12 of the batch of 2025 have been released on the CISCE website, that is cisce.org. There, if you click on examinations, you will find the specimen papers. Now, they have been released for some subject papers, not for all subject papers, and that will be done gradually over the next few days and weeks. Now, the idea behind these specimen papers is to focus, is to nudge the students to focus on core competencies and for the teachers also to prepare papers during the class tests, the quarterly exams, the half-yearly exams, and the pre-board examinations in the same format as that of the specimen paper. Now, what does this exactly mean in detail? I'll break this down. For one, the specimen papers have been prepared, have been curated in keeping in view the kind of assessment that will be done in the 2025 board examinations next year. Now, what this means is that students are expected to analyze, to be able to recall, to be able to understand, to be able to comprehend, to be able to evaluate a particular issue, concept, theory, and to be able to express it as is asked in the question paper. It won't be a straight question जो कि आपने रट्टा मार लिया है टेक्स्ट बुक से या किसी ने नोट्स दे दिए तो वहां से रट्टा मार लिया है और उसी फॉर्मेट से आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, इसकी उम्मीद आप मत कीजिए. At least 25% of the paper will be as per these practices that I just now mentioned. So what you need, and listen to this carefully, what you need is a deeper understanding, because if you are going to be happy with अरे किसी ने YouTube पे 10 मिनट का 12 मिनट का वीडियो डाल दिया, मजा आ गया, अरे कौन देखेगा 45 मिनट का वीडियो, you will be making a mistake, let me tell you that. If you are going to be happy with listening to a 10-minute summary, इससे ज्यादा बेवकूफी का काम आप कहीं नहीं कर सकते. You need to understand it in detail because at least 1/4 of your paper will be as per those kind of assessment practices. बाद में कहने का फायदा नहीं है कि पेपर बहुत मुश्किल था. पेपर मुश्किल नहीं आएगा, पेपर आपको सही मायने में टेस्ट करेगा. It will test you the way you are expected to be tested. Okay, the days of rote learning गए. Okay, कि पेपर का निकाल, टेक्स्ट बुक का निकाल दिया, उसी को पढ़ दिया, नहीं चलेगा काम. Okay, let me tell this to you in black and white. Now, as I said, the weightage which have been ascribed to these kind of questions is 25% in the year 2025 board examination. 2026 में इंक्रीज होगा, 2027 में इंक्रीज होगा, 2028 में इंक्रीज होगा. ओके, आई मीन आप आजकल के 12th क्लास के बच्चों को उसकी घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट स्टिल इट विल कीप इंक्रीजिंग एवरी ईयर as is kind of detailed in the new education policy. Now, the interesting part is that this time the specimen papers have come with some kind of an answer key, which will give you an idea about what kind of answer is actually expected by the council. So please go and have a look at those specimen papers because it will give you an idea what you are expected to write, which is why I have been telling students, whoever has been writing to me, please do not waste your money. Please do not waste your parents' hard-earned money on question banks right now, because जो question banks अभी आपको मार्केट में मिलेंगे, they are just a rehash. ये कल का पुराना खाना आपको फिर से गर्म करके दे रहे हैं. अभी क्वेश्चन बैंक्स मत खरीदिए. Please wait. Focus on your textbook. Focus on your textbook on understanding the chapters, the concepts in different subjects. That is what you need to focus on. Question banks or test papers के पीछे अभी मत भागिए, because the best test papers will come later on in the year. It could be of any publication, it could be of SWS also. What I'm saying is that wait till the chapters have been understood and then go for it. अभी से class tests और quarterly exams के बारे में घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसके लिए जो स्कूल में पढ़ाया गया है, that should be more than enough. All the answer key, whatever footnotes are given, please read them carefully so that you get a better idea. Then, as I said, the specimen paper for many other subjects will be released in due course of time. तो अभी से बोलने की जरूरत है उसका नहीं है, इसका नहीं है, सभी आ जाएगा. We are only in the month of May. We are only in the month of May. Someone wrote to me, मैकबेथ का जल्दी से कराओ, मेरा फाइनल एग्जाम आने वाला है. I mean, किसको बेवकूफ बना रहे हो यार? I mean, I've also been here for many years, so I understand when what exams are conducted. So don't do this unnecessary, silly stunts out here. So another thing I want to highlight is that, which I am sure many of you will not be interested in, will not understand or refuse to understand, but still it is my duty and responsibility to tell you. Many of you, in fact, most of you are obsessed with, ये syllabus में है, मेरे को यही पढ़ना है, and वो काफी है, marks लाने हैं. आज की दुनिया में, and given the kind of unemployment that is there, even for software engineers, the job market is not very great either in India, even in the US for that matter. Okay, all over the world, the job market is not looking very, very bright. So if you are thinking that, ये मैंने ये डिग्री में जो भी पढ़ाना था सिलेबस में सब पढ़ लिया, अभी मेरे को 6 फिगर नौकरी तो मिलनी चाहिए, नहीं मिलेगी. I'm telling you, नहीं मिलेगी. For the simple reason that if you are going to be only focused on that, this is what कॉलेज में पढ़ाया था, मैंने पढ़ लिया, मैं कॉलेज में सेकंड आया था, फर्स्ट आया था, थर्ड आया था, मेरी नौकरी तो पक्की, with so many figure salary, you will not get. Let me tell this to you with all the experience at my disposal. What you need to focus on is soft skills. And it disappoints me that whenever I put out videos relating to soft skills like communication ability, interactive skills, public speaking, so very important, how to appear in an interview, there are hardly any takers for those kind of videos. So I also have stopped doing those kind of videos. But let me tell you that that's what is going to make the difference between someone who is technically qualified. You may be technically qualified, लेकिन आपकी soft skills zero हैं. Someone else who has the same soft skills as you may have come first in class, he's your classmate, he may have come second in class, but his soft skills, his ability to communicate, his ability to make a presentation, his ability to forcefully intervene in a team meeting is much better than you. Trust me, you will always remain a technical hand. He will become a leader. फिर बाद में जलने का फायदा नहीं है. ये time है when you need to improve on all those things. So please do that in your own interest. In fact, let me tell you this. I'll take 2 more minutes. I mean, since I'm in the middle of a lot of election reportage, one of my friends called Kunal has reported from Maharashtra, and the kind of things that he has written about are, very disturbing. He wrote about how well-educated young Indians, and many of them actually postgraduates. So they are not like, just a graduate. Postgraduates are working in low-paying jobs, even though they are much, much more qualified than the jobs actually demand. For example, someone called M. Siddhant, he's an engineer, but he's in Maharashtra working as a supervisor on a construction site. There is someone called Shivanand Sable, who he has mentioned, who is a MSc, but he's working as a temporary teacher at a salary of 7,500 rupees per month. Then there is someone called Chandrakant Khobragade, who is a postgraduate in botany, but still does not have a job. So, as I said, unemployment is a real challenge for even very highly qualified people. So please upscale your soft skills, learn outside the classroom instead of being fixated on the syllabus कि मेरे को इस classroom में सबके साथ compete करना है. No, learn to swim in a river or in the ocean, not in the pond. Please remember that. Because only when you do that, only when you open your horizons, open up your mind, will you get better. So this is the time when you should be a sponge, being able to absorb everything, and that's when you get better. Please be in the company of people who are better than you so that you can learn something, not people who are worse than you or at the same level. तब आप कुछ नया नहीं सीखेंगे. You always need to be in the company of someone who is better than you, someone who has much more of varied kind of experience. That's what really makes a difference. Not like, someone who does not have any other experience will not be able to impart you anything beyond book में क्या है, टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या है, यही दे देंगे. और people who have not achieved much, लेकिन हाँ पैसा कमाया है, फायदा नहीं होगा. I'm telling you, फायदा नहीं होगा. always learn. Like when I go and meet someone who I know will be able to contribute something to my understanding, I'm always much more excited. And it's a great feeling when you come back from meeting someone with something कि आज कुछ नया सीखने को मिला. That's the feeling you should be every moment. I get up every morning thinking that today I'm going to meet X, and I know that he's better than me in these couple of aspects, and I'm going to listen to him to be able to hear his thoughts, and that will make me a better person, a more not intelligent but someone who is more aware about some subject which I was not aware of. That has to be your attitude. ये don't be in that फंडा कि अभी मस्ती करने के दिन है. No, this is the time for you to be a sponge and learn as much as possible. Okay, so with these words, please go and check out the specimen papers whenever you can, and the videos that will be put gradually. Don't push me, because as I said, this is not my primary job. I do a whole lot of other things. Still, I try to take out time to prepare and record and edit and publish these videos. They do take time. The SWS question papers will be out in the second half of the academic year. I said it does not mean June, July. Academic year means post September. That's when the papers, the SWS, because I believe in producing quality. कि ये नहीं कि डाल दिया, ये धंधा नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Whatever I put will be of quality. Till then, I will not put out. Okay, tata, bye bye. Thank you very much. God bless you.